The rivalry between Apple and Samsung has always been a hot topic in the tech world. Fans of both brands often point fingers, accusing the other of borrowing ideas. Apple enthusiasts claim Samsung mimics their favorite brand, while Samsung supporters argue the opposite. While these debates often lack solid evidence, they remain an integral part of the competition between these two tech giants. This time, though, Apple seems to be turning the tables by drawing inspiration from Samsung's playbook. Rumors are swirling that Apple is working on a new iPhone model, the iPhone 16e, which appears to be influenced by Samsung's successful fan edition FE series. Samsung's FE devices have struck a chord with consumers by delivering a blend of high-end features and affordability. Apple's move to introduce a similar offering hints that the company is ready to explore a different strategy to appeal to a wider audience. The iPhone 16e is rumored to target budget-conscious buyers, much like Samsung's FE lineup. While it might not boast all the premium features of Apple's flagship models, it could include the innovative Action button currently reserved for its top-tier devices. This edition would allow Apple to offer a taste of its premium experience without the steep price tag, a formula that Samsung has refined with its FE series. Samsung's Fan Edition has grown beyond just smartphones. The Galaxy S23 FE, Galaxy Buds FE, and Galaxy Tab S9 FE are just a few examples of how Samsung has created an entire ecosystem centered on affordability and functionality. The rumored Galaxy Z Flip FE could further expand this lineup, showcasing how Samsung has turned its FE series into a strategic cornerstone. Apple's potential iPhone 16e signals that it's not only acknowledging this success, but also looking to replicate it in its own way. Apple's venture into more affordable territory isn't entirely new. The iPhone Southeast series has long catered to a cost-sensitive audience. However, the Southeast models often felt like secondary offerings compared to Apple's flagship lineup. The iPhone 16e, if real, could mark a more deliberate effort to compete in the mid-range market where Samsung has excelled. By offering a device that balances functionality with a lower price point, Apple could tap into a segment that prioritizes value without compromising too much on brand experience. The reason behind this shift is clear. The premium smartphone market is reaching saturation. As growth in the high-end segment slows, companies like Apple and Samsung are looking for ways to maximize their reach. Samsung's FE lineup has shown that blending affordability with key premium features is a winning strategy. Apple's rumored move suggests it's ready to explore this approach to maintain its competitive edge. This development is more than just a new product launch. It's a glimpse into how Apple and Samsung continue to influence each other. For years, Apple has been known for its innovation and premium pricing, while Samsung has been celebrated for its versatility and value-driven offerings. By adopting a strategy similar to Samsung's Fan Edition, Apple is proving that even the most iconic brands need to evolve in response to changing market dynamics. So could the iPhone 16e stand up to Samsung's FE series? It's too early to tell, but the prospect of Apple competing head-on in this segment is certainly exciting. What's clear is that the competition between Apple and Samsung shows no signs of slowing down. Whether it's through inspiration, rivalry, or direct competition, these two giants are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the tech world. If you're eager to see how this unfolds and love staying on top of the latest tech trends, make sure to keep watching. There's always more innovation and competition just around the corner. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.